Hey guys, this is how to fix Bet Plus app not working. So guys, watch till then as I discuss multiple solutions. And for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So now for the first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on the search at the bottom. And now go to the top at the search bar and search for the Bet Plus app. Now guys, just simply tap on the app and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And another option is just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update so you won't have any issue. Now, second solution is just simply go to the settings into your device. And after that, just simply scroll down and just simply go for the apps. And after that, just simply go ahead and find the application over here and tap on it. And then go for the storage and tap on clear cache. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to reset the app and you should be able to fix it. Now, for the third solution is just simply go to the app, hold it, and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and reinstall it back again into your device. And you should be able to fix it. And there you go. If you have issues with the app still, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.